Hey everybody, welcome back. We're in the truck again. It's not a cooking video. I forgot that I have to go out of town on Thursday, and I was planning to cook the same day as the video, so we're not doing that now. But we are solving an age-old dilemma. I keep seeing a lot of folks, and me included, trying to figure out where the best place to get some patties on the go for carnivore is. So what fast food joint has the best deal, the best patties, bang for your buck? And in my little small town, there's the big four, and that's what we're going to do today. I've went to all four burger joints in my area that are pretty much a national chain. I've gotten 2 of their large patties from each place, and I've written down how much they cost. And that's all I bought, so there wouldn't be any confusion like the last video I did. And we're going to see which one tastes better, which one seems to have more food, so which portions are bigger, and then obviously which one has the best price. So, first place we went to this morning was Burger King. So Burger King gives you this cool little bag. And they actually gave me a receipt. Not many of the places gave me a receipt. It says 2 Whopper patties, but doesn't tell me the price. Luckily, I wrote down the price. Burger King was $6.04 for 2 Whopper patties. More than $3 a patty. That's including tax, obviously. But you get this cool little box, which is pretty neat. I think Larry over at Carnivore Quest checked out Burger King patties once before. A lot of grease in there. Greasy. You got those grill marks, those flame broiled marks. Let's give it a try. Still a little warm. I live in rural Virginia, so it takes some time to get to places. I'm going to regret not getting a water. 0 seasoning. Like none. I taste the classic flame broiled taste, I guess. Scale of 1 to 10. I'm going to give this like a 4. I don't think I'll be going back. I mean, if I was in a pinch, yeah, but for the price and what you're getting, Burger King, I don't think that's it. So Burger King, you get a 4. 4 out of 10. Not the best patty I've ever had. The next place we went to, the old Mickey D's, McDonald's. I just asked them for 2 quarter-pound patties, being as that's their largest patty. I see what they did. They put some lettuce in the bottom, I'm assuming, to soak up some of this grease. Not my most favorite thing in the world, because soggy, greasy lettuce is disgusting. However, I can already see that there is salt on this patty, which I am a fan of. 2 quarter-pound patties from McDonald's was $4.49. So more than almost $2 cheaper than Burger King. And I'm just going to say, by visually looking, it looks like a much better patty. You can see the salt on there. Here's the downfall. That lettuce has kind of like permeated the flavor of this meat, and it's not good. It is seasoned well, though. A lot of salt. And it's even got a little crust on it. Like a smash burger or something, almost. Okay, I just ate that whole thing. The one. $4.49 for 2 patties. So like that's including tax, but if you break it down, you got like $2.25 a patty. It's not terrible. Quarter-pound patty. Multiply that by 4, $2.25 times 4. That's like 8, $9 almost. $9 a pound. That's kind of high, but for fast food going through the drive-thru, I'm going to give McDonald's, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a 6. I don't like the lettuce thing. I've had McDonald's patties before. This is the first time I've seen them put lettuce in the box with it. Normally, they just put it in one of their breakfast platter containers, kind of like Burger King did. Not a fan of the lettuce thing. McDonald's, don't do that anymore. Not that, whatever. Yeah, McDonald's, you're getting a 6. 6 on the patties. I enjoyed that. After McDonald's, we went to Hardies. Now, this is somewhere I've never gotten patties from, and I don't know how it's going to be. Also, one of the only places to give me a receipt. I ordered 2 quarter-pound patties. I just said 2 large patties. They gave me quarter-pound patties for a subtotal. It was $3 a patty, subtotal of $3.37. Or $3 for both patties. So $1.50 per patty. I was not expecting Hardee's to be that inexpensive. Also, score for them, they put it in one of their gravy biscuit containers. There's what we're looking like. A very dry patty. There's no grease in this container. Very dry patty. It smells charbroiled. Wasn't that their thing for a while? Charbroiled. Very dry.
Can I get you anything?
Water would be nice.
Right off the rip. I'm glad they were only $1.50 a piece. Very dry patty. Almost like beef jerky from a gas station dry. For the price, they're going to get a couple extra points. This could just be something that was it was right at lunchtime though, so I wouldn't have expected any of their meat to be up for a long period of time. Like if I got this on a burger, I wouldn't be happy. Hardees, you got to figure out something. As far as price, they're getting a couple extra points. I actually think that I preferred the Burger King one over that, but I don't remember what I gave Burger King, so I'm going to give that a 3. If it's equal to or greater than Burger King, I'll attribute it to the flavor being better, but the dryness was bad. Yeah, I'm going to give that Hardee's a 3. Price was awesome. That's the only reason they're getting a 3. Otherwise, they'd be getting a lower score. Last place around my area that's a chain. I mean, I could have driven 30 minutes, 40 minutes away and gotten some other things, but we went to Wendy's. Wendy's. Now, y'all have seen me do Wendy's before, but I made a weird order. I got cheese and bacon, and they were like really confused, and they didn't know what to charge me, and they charged me like $20. So I just got 2 large patties, $2.30 a piece. Not as low as Hardee's, but lower than the rest. Came out to a total of $5.17 with tax. As you know, Wendy's gives you this cool little box as well. And there's your little square patties. There's greasy, juicy goodness in here. Look at that. There's no seasoning, but it has a decent flavor. Those little crispy bits on the sides. It's the most moist. It's the most tender. Of course, obviously most juicy. I still think I like McDonald's flavor better. And I gave them a 6. But we're not only factoring in flavor, we're factoring in the price. The downside to Wendy's is they've not been consistent. I've had Wendy's multiple times in the past, and the price is always different. It's never been the same. So I don't know if it just depends on who rings it up, how they ring it up, what they say when they ring it up, what I order. I don't know. But for this experience right here, $2.30 a patty, $5 for 2 patties. I'm going to go with a 7.5. That puts them at top. So we got Wendy's, McDonald's, Burger King, then Hardee's. Hardee's was the cheapest at $3.37. Hardee's was the cheapest. Burger King was the most expensive. I can't believe that Burger King's were over $6 for 2 patties. And the patties were no seasoning, pretty much tasteless, other than that slight hint of flame broiled that they probably use some kind of chemical to do. McDonald's was $4.49. All around, I think McDonald's was the best bang for your buck, because if they hadn't put that lettuce on there, I believe they would have scored higher. So Wendy's, McDonald's. I'm actually going to move Hardee's above Burger King, simply for the fact that they were half the price essentially, and I think I might have gotten a bad batch of burgers. So we're going to go. Hardee's is going to get a 4. Burger King is going to get a 3. McDonald's is going to stay at a 6, and Wendy's is going to stay at 7.5. That's my rating. So we got prices: Wendy's $5.17, McDonald's $4.49, Hardee's $3.37, Burger King $6.04. Honestly, I wouldn't even go to Burger King. Just forget that they even exist if you're just getting patties. That was a joke. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's the age-old dilemma. Who's got the best patties for the best price? Honestly, Wendy's has the best patties of those 4 in my area. Now, I've mentioned before that there's a local place called Pals, and well, none of these places hold a candle to their patties, but they are quite expensive. So, all right, guys, that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoy it. I just wanted to throw something together real quick for you. I've never seen anybody really compare them all at the same time, and as far as what I can do in my little neck of the woods, those are the 4 big fast food burger joints. So let me know what you think. Be sure to let me know what your favorite fast food burger joint is when you're in a pinch trying to get something to eat on Carnivore. And until next time, guys, y'all stick with me. We'll see what we can do. Be sure to like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff that you already do, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys. God bless.